Greetings Onstage fans. Please accept our apologies for the sudden removal of the Danger interview from our YouTube channel. This due to a potential legal dispute involving Onstage TV and attorneys representing Mr. Nicholas Lal. We are consulting with our lawyers and will keep you posted on further developments. In the meantime, the video will remain private.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
So as you know by now, Danger do an interview with Onstage and Mr. Williams. And from the little bulletin we only hear me read earlier where Onstage post to them Instagram platform. The lawyer them crawl out. Yeah. We don't know how that's going to turn out, but Onstage says they are in discussions, you know, with the lawyers and thing. For see where I go on. What do you think I got? Talk to me down in the comment section. I want to hear from Uno. But anyway, people, listen. In the comment sections all over Instagram, me see people suggest that Spice should lawyer up Danger. In other words, get a lawyer for Danger so Danger can go do her thing too. What Uno have to say about that? Talk to me down below. Let me know. I'm gonna get a next video from a general who wants to weigh in and give theme pointers on this whole topic here too. So see it here.
Okay. This video is going for Spice, a baby father, and our workers, right? And this video is supposed to go for the police them as well. Now this girl come back out and she been crying and she been carrying on and she hurt. Whether somebody put her up or not. If somebody even put her up to do this type of shit, at the end of the day, this thing needs to be investigated. It needs to be investigated because you can't have somebody out there want to tear down somebody like that. But because them are in corruption and them nastiness, people do things and get away with it, especially in Jamaica, because Jamaica security, Jamaica state, not really do nothing for the people them. Unless who know who from who don't know who, or who they hate from who them not hate, or who they like from who they like. So it's just like some law for some people who have rich, they might be probably have different law for them. And if you know John Brown, Tom, Harry, or whoever you know this person, so they have a different set of law, which everybody should come under the same umbrella. The law should go for everyone. So this girl will get raped by Nicholas. This case needs to be investigated. Jamaican police and security, we are calling upon you to investigate this case. Because this case is for protect your own people. It's for looking out for your own people. For make sure say you look after your people. Just like how the UK and Canada and England look after them people. They're not there to get rich and lie in their pocket. They're there for the people. But why can't Jamaica is there for the people? Jamaica law, rules is not there for the people, you know. The law only go for some people, you know. Because in Jamaica they talk about lock up. Lock up is not necessary. It's arrest and charge and questioned. You don't lock up people because you have a power to lock up somebody. Because that not help nothing. That is just a punishment. If you're gonna harass somebody, you harass them and charge them, question them, or whatever. But Jamaica punishment is lock him up, man. Lock him up. What the fuck that have to do with anything? Lock him up. Is that a punishment? Is that a charge? You need to be harassed, charged, question, detain. So this girl with her problem where I cry says she been raped. Minister of Security only need to check this out. And this girl needs to calm down. Because I think she getting panic too much. She cried too much, she not too much ego. It's not a crying matter. I mean, people will cry, yes. But she get too irritable. She need to calm down. Don't make Nicholas fool you. Because he may get a lawyer. Anybody can get a lawyer. You shouldn't even need to get a lawyer because the state should look out for you because you're a woman. You see, for me being growing up, I say England is a woman country, you know. But it is. It is a woman country because they look out for the woman then. They look out for children, they look out for dogs, they look out for old people, they look out for women, so they have all the rights. So if you do something, not because you're a woman, if you do something, you can be charged as well because you do something, you break the law. So they need to investigate out this woman here. Something needs to be done about Spice baby father and the whole of them. Don't sit down there and saying that because the guy there Canada. Underneath you send call this guy. Spice is not American citizen, she doesn't have a green card. She only have a work permit. A music work permit. That's why the way the woman tell her say she can't buy a house. She can't buy a house. Because she don't have a thing the card for credit card and all that type of thing in America where she can use. She only can work in the music industry. So she's not American citizen. She only live over there and ask her family to buy a house or scan to the mix up here going. I don't have a clue about that, but I believe because I live overseas. That's the whole same thing. You can see with Dalton Harris. I have to try underneath the bus. I can see him putting down Jamaica because I want to get him stay overseas as well. But he want to stay at a Jamaican way anyway. Because Jamaican, you realize the Jamaican people in the music industry is crabbing a barrel. So you want to keep with them. You don't like Dalton Harris anyway, no, but I show you that you want to keep with them way. And everybody want to keep with the Jamaica way, but still want to be a Jamaican. Everybody want to live a foreign, but still want to be a Jamaican. Everybody want to stay over foreign, but still sticking up for Jamaica. All them people out there where say the girl not getting raped, and if you shut up in the mouth, because you know what happened? That is something where in bird now. Anybody can come to Jamaica and rape anybody, fuck anybody, and give them something. Because the light will have to pay, the air conditioner have to pay, gas have to go in the car, then car one wheel, then one grocery, then one this and one that. So fucking is few no topics out there for survival. So only just look upon it and say, "Cho, that what the fuck I go do?" But people traumatized. People live with them type of thing for how many years? And because they don't have nobody to go to, the law is not there to protect them. So anybody can fuck anybody and get away with it. It's just a fuck. That's how you see it. But when you come out foreign, come live, when you realize they are so it go. That's why you don't want to go back down to Jamaica, you know. Because when I bring the dirty behavior from out of Jamaica come overseas, and the people overseas not having that. Not having that. So now if you wake up and smell the coffee, police officer, minister of security, the man in the jacket and tie, you me a call pan. Let me tell you, I have to go say my Richard Branson to come slacken up your tie. Your tie if you slacken up this time, you can just sit down there and not doing nothing at all. Absolutely nothing. When you see a case like this, you need to jump on it. How you could have go to St. Thomas, go jump on the lady case, take her out, her house, arrest her for so many days, have her been locked up without any investigation, and harass her, have people go into her house to go interview a teenager child. You have no way to keep her beside the family school, you know. You need to look after the people. R. Kelly I go to prison. Bill Cosby I go to prison. A lot of people do things I go to prison, and it happened so long. And R. Kelly I deny get her lawyer as well. So Nicholas do the same thing. Even if you're married to your wife, you can be charged for rape. So it does not matter how much time you and she have sex or whatever. For one time she never agree, then it's rape. And I say so, it's in the book. So it need to be investigated. It need to be investigated. Jamaican police, useless. All you want are things, just like everybody else. You don't want things, you don't want this, you don't want that, you don't want this. You don't want to go to no friend go get something. But the man out there already tossy his shirt to call himself investigator and a pretty light money. Clean and nice and decent, walking around in a long sleeve shirt. And just smart, and you don't work nothing. You don't work nothing, you useless. That's why the best policemen resign and gone. Like the Indian. And enough more police have to leave the work, because it's so corrupted. We need to wake up and do no job. We want to get him paid for his state of paying if you do a job. Investigate this case here for this woman here. Somebody, some counselor, somebody in a counseling position need to go in and speak to this woman. Yeah, she need to be counseled because she's traumatized. She has gone through a lot from all these years. You need to stop.
Well, as me tell you already, this is episode 102. Let's just see if another episode will come. And I wouldn't doubt it because it seems like the more days go by, is the more things crop up. Because when me the thing say this whole thing you fade out one day, it just arise up and just a start. If this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button right now and make sure to turn on all notifications so once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.